Welcome back to 3-Minute Thursday. The intent of these 3-minute videos is to give you one tip or trick to address one movement problem. And in today's video, that movement problem is reaching forward in the early stages. If you're new to this channel, I'm Tara. I'm a neurologic physical therapist. And the intent of this channel is to empower you with as many tools to take ownership of your rehab and your overall health. And all that said, today we're going to go over how to restore forward reaching in the early stages using a similar format that I do in these Thursday videos, and that's one mobilization, or one way to make sure you have the range of motion, one activation exercise, and then one what I call functional exercise, or actually putting that component of that movement into a whole movement. All right, so the mobilization is pretty simple, and that's just reaching forward on a table. A lot of you learned this in rehab, and then you just kind of don't do it once you get home. It is a great range of motion exercise. So a lot of you kind of are doing this, which is okay, but you just have so many moving parts when that's going on. Being able to have your arms supported and just reaching forward is a great way to make sure you're getting the structures kind of like very close to that shoulder joint, getting them to have the range or the lengthening capability so that you can reach forward with as little resistance as possible. So just forward reaching. All right, let me show that to you from the side so you can see how that really, this is the angle right here that we're trying to increase, right? So arms supported, increasing this angle right here. Okay, and hold it for about a minute. And come back. And then the activation for this, pretty basic. And again, a lot of you did this in inpatient rehab, and then you just kind of forget about it once you get home. But anything with wheels on it, having that nice upright posture, and just push. Okay, now, some of you are going to push and it's going to come across your body. That's okay, but the goal is normalizing that movement pattern. And if your uninvolved arm doesn't do it, then we want to kind of work towards the same type of movement that your other arm does and being able to push straight ahead. Now, to start, just keep your arms supported on the table. If you have a hand splint, that'll be best, but I like something with wheels on it. And in fact, it's probably much better if you have it next to you so you can bring your arm back. That'll allow you to get a little bit more range. And you're just rolling it forwards and backwards. And then the mobilization component of it is just have some kind of a target. I love these cones because once your hand is on them, they do give you like a little bit of a slippery surface. And it does work on grip a little bit, and then you can also work on the ability to keep your hand up and not having it turn in. So trying to keep that cone upright, and you just want to kind of tap towards those cones, right? Bring them as close as you need to, right? We're just kind of activating in the early stages. Reach, touch, reach, touch. Any movement is good movement. If you're getting a little bit of sway, don't be too hard on yourself. Some people are trying to get perfection. I work with a lot of people that are kind of perfectionists, and they get mad at themselves if they move like that. Activation. Remember, we're just trying to get activation, right? Once your brain starts to connect that when you want to move your hand away from your nose, you can, then you can start worrying about that quality a little bit. But in the activation stage, you're just trying to get some movement in that direction. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Hopefully I met my intended goal of getting this in 3 minutes. If you like the longer videos, those will continue to come out on Sundays where I do a deeper dive. So if you like the longer videos, definitely come back on Sundays. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so that you will get notified every time I upload new videos. I enjoyed spending time with you all today, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.